Deep inside these ancient wooden giants, a silent, one-year metamorphosis is taking place, transforming raw salt and fish into liquid gold. Witness the journey from a centuries-old craft to a
Keep the layers even now.
Filling up quick.
Our journey begins at the break of dawn, deep in the pristine waters of the Gulf of Thailand. Here, silver anchovies, the black gold of the sea, are harvested at their peak. For centuries, the secret to the world's finest fish sauce has relied on two pure ingredients: fresh wild-caught fish and sun-drenched sea salt. Watch as the shimmering silver meets the crystalline white, preserved immediately on the boat to lock in the ocean's essence. At the traditional warehouses of Phu Quoc and Phan Thiet, the master's touch takes over. A sacred 3-to-1 ratio of fish to salt is strictly maintained. Inside these gargantuan wooden vats, bound by hand-woven rattan ropes, workers tamp down the mixture, layering it with bamboo grates and heavy stones. This is the start of a long, silent metamorphosis. Inside the dark, quiet barrel room, time becomes the master craftsman. For 12 long months, the fish protein slowly breaks down, undergoing a complex, natural fermentation. Under the soft glow of sunbeams, the mixture transforms into a rich, dark, amber elixir. Now, the moment of truth, the first extraction. Known as Nuoc Mam Ni, this first press liquid flows in a viscous, honey-colored stream, carrying the ultimate concentration of flavor. This traditional nectar is crystal clear, boasting a deep mahogany hue. Every batch is rigorously tested for its nitrogen levels, the true mark of umami intensity. But to bring this ancient craft to the global stage, tradition must meet technology. Massive stainless steel pipes now bridge the gap, transporting the raw sauce into a world of sterile, high-tech refinement. In the modern facility, the sauce enters a state of hyper-purification. High-speed centrifuges spin to remove every microscopic solid, followed by a journey through ultra-fine ceramic filters. The result is a liquid of brilliant clarity. To ensure a consistent flavor for millions of kitchens, automated systems standardize the taste, followed by precision pasteurization. Safety and tradition are now perfectly entwined. Observe the physics of the pour. The high viscosity and light-reflecting properties are proof of quality. Real-time laser sensors monitor the amber color as it flows toward the bottling line. Meanwhile, high-pressure air blows PET and glass bottles into shape, lining them up with military precision for the final fill. The speed of modern demand is met with a high-speed rotary filler. 60 nozzles descend simultaneously, filling every bottle to the exact milliliter. Watch the golden bubbles rise, a sign of the sauce's natural protein content. Then, in a split second, high-speed hammers secure the iconic red and gold caps, locking in the freshness. Accuracy is absolute. Labels featuring traditional icons are wrapped around spinning bottles with zero margin for error, while lasers zap the expiry codes onto the glass. Finally, our high-speed spider robots take over, picking and placing the bottles into branded cases with tireless efficiency. The final stage of the industrial marvel. Giant palletizing robots stack boxes into perfect towers, organizing them in a gargantuan logistics hub. From here, cranes lift these containers onto cargo ships destined for international markets from New York to Paris. The soul of Vietnamese cuisine is ready to travel the world. But the true magic happens in the kitchen. A single drop of this golden liquid transforms a dish, adding a depth of umami that no other ingredient can match. From the rugged fishing boats to the high-tech factory, and finally to your dipping bowl. This is the incredible journey of fish sauce, the liquid gold, the soul of Vietnam. Mass production at its finest. Thank you for joining us on this emotional journey today on Mass Production Marvels. We cherish every moment you shared with us. Remember to subscribe to the channel to see more cutting-edge production technologies. See you next time. Keep creating and believe in yourself. Goodbye.